Okay, after change the left stick model, here here it is, the left stick model. As we see, it's damaged. Maybe it can be with the use of the stick, because if we see here in this area, let me show you better. Let me use this. Here in this part got damaged. Where is the spring attached? Here in this area is this spring attached. So this is broken. Maybe with the use, because some controls I get it when get to the workshop. Some controls, the stick models only got damaged much, because when the remote controller crashed in the fields. How can I explain it? When crashing the ground, when the remote controllers get dropped and crash to the ground, got more damage than this. So maybe this part were not so well in the delivery or something. But this is not a crash with the ground. This is the word is what is the word? This part, how can I explain it? This part, this spare part, this left stick model, came with factory defect. So we already repaired, and here in the remote controller now, this is a new left stick model. And look, and if we see here in the remote controller, it's working well. So this remote controller is fixed.